Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of CK3, the Karlings. We are Duke Pierre Valois, and we've got a litany of more traits since we have. Um, so we're just kind of sitting on a large stockpile of gold. We're gonna ask him for a bunch of claims. Kingdom of Poland. You know what? Hell yeah. Do I now have a claim on Poland? Yep. Ask for gold. Demand payment. And I'm ready to use my claims on the King of Poland. Okay. Let me call my allies. Prince of Bohemia and the Earl of Cumberland. And I'm gonna call my house member. I'll raise my armies. And everyone's gonna join. Yeah, so who are the actual claimants to the Kingdom of Poland? Because I want to know just because I don't want to immediately become deposed. Okay, that's good. Strong hook of fabrication. That's good, that's good. Uh, okay. My allies, Bohemia, do want an alliance. Would not accept. I'm at war. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. And Countess Amelie of Boulogne. A brilliant strategist. That's good. Okay. We're being attacked by some random guys. That's fine. Okay. Besieging, that's working. Siege this place. Max 10 months. That's good, that's good. Uh, nah, crap. You're honest. It's not very good, to be honest. We're losing a lot of men. No, that's not good. Oh, interesting secrets. Um, yeah, we're winning a lot of battles just because, our in really good allies. Okay. And we got our province. Let's go for Cacao. Negotiate an alliance. Duke Julien of Languedoc. Yeah, I mean, we have a lot of places, friends in high places. Yeah, hold up. I want to see something. Intrigue. Hooks and secrets. Oh, blackmail. Oh, blackmail. Interesting. Duke on the clique of Toulouse. Oh, why'd you create a cadet branch? Curling on low. Below. That's just annoying. He's no longer a Karling. Duke shoot. What? Okay, that's interesting. What happens if I enforce demands? AD. Okay. So I will gain all his stuff. That's good. Um, Demand payments, yes. 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 Okay, there's so many secrets in the Byzantine Empire. This is amazing. Interesting. I'm very pious. That's good. Um, what's the objective? Don't think many people know. Okay, my daughter, heir to Clermont. See, that's not a bad idea. That helps. Okay. Prince Hildebert of the HRE of Karlin. Yo, you have a claim on the HRE? That's really cool. Yeah, I mean, my dynasty has really expanded through very good marriages. So many secrets. Oh, we lost the fight. That's sad. Oh, and the Poles are back and ready to attack. Okay, we won. Can I ransom prisoners? No. Let them see their new king. Duke John of Poland. I am now a mighty king. Offensive war. Too many duchies. Oh, well, yeah, that makes sense. Well, we're now the king of Poland. That's good. Okay, I'm gonna grant her a title. I'm gonna give her the Duchy of Flanders. I'm gonna give you Duchy of Orleans on that. Edward, going to grant you county. That's it. Okay. Um, I'm not gonna do that. Modify contracts. Okay, empty consular positions. Yes, yes. You hate me. It's 'cause okay, took your title. So all my vassals hate me. This is not good, right? But what's my crown authority? Revoke title. Why is it tyranny? Okay, you know what? That's fine. I'm going to have to do some interesting things. Unhandled court events. You look like animals. Yes, we deserve better. Court artifacts. Okay. Dynasty banner. That's funny. Wait, I don't wanna. Yeah. We are the king of Poland somehow. It's really funny to me. Oh, wait, we have a Karling banner. Yeah, no. Okay. Court grandeur. Diplomatic court. Um, Doyle Vulgar. That's fine. We're ranked 58th in the world. Number one is the Pagan King. That's interesting to me. Okay. Faction. Duke Leszczyk. Kingdom of Poland. Interesting. Hold court. Your petitioners. Good. Contractual compromise. Interesting. Okay. He's convinced. I need to start swaying my vassals. Okay, I'm gonna start finding secrets in Valois. Okay, I find this is a really scuffed thing. I need titles. Okay, what is my de jure king? I could attack Bohemia for de jure, but arranged marriage about my daughter, Prince Martin. War pressed by my core, but I really low. That's not good. Okay, so here's the strategy that I'm going to be using. I'm going to find secrets in the vassals I don't like. It's capital, right? So that'll help me a lot. Okay, Grand Tour. Um, Plan a Grand Tour. Okay, yes, I want vassal opinion. I see. Hosted dinner. Yes. Uh, Altruism. Justice. Okay, yeah, why not? I have no money. Hold on, I'll plan it after I have some more money. Demand payments. Yeah, I like that. Factions. A player heir, an astute intellectual. He's not very good, is he? Send for a physician now. Is my health failing? Uh, Ordain is quite experienced. Head of faith for gold, yes, I need the money. Okay. By the way, it's all Catholic, right? Okay. Intrigue. Okay, so who really does not like me? You are like a downright going to fabricate hook. Okay. Okay, we're fighting the Byzantine Empire. Okay, okay. Now we do our grand tour. Go to all of these vassals. Right. Hire, um, there's a man-eating monster here. Okay. Else? Where else is there guaranteed danger? That's fine, I'll risk it. Oh, you can't visit. Okay, in Callus. Um, Intrigue wise, hooks and secrets. Start blackmailing people. Uh, oh, okay. Yes, give me money. Okay, drastic measures. Catastrophic. I want you to continue teaching Edward. Oh my god, so many. Okay, honor is all yours. Scheme, fabricate a hook. As it should be. Is the Karling dynasty famous again? Good, good, good. 9 houses. So many of them are dead, but one that's really good is Luxembourg. Grand tourist settling in for dinner. Just turn down my speed a little. Let's check. Oh no. That's oh good. It's okay. Becomes more majestic. Good. Okay, we won the war. Okay, interesting proposition. More majestic. Is there anything happening interesting? Okay. How do I go back to my activity? Duke Leszek becomes my friend. Hermesin Devria. Yeah, you're my friend. Okay, then let's sway you instead of fabricate a hook. That's funny. How wonderful. It's time for tribute. Beware the highwayman. Okay. Nature will provide for us. I'm gonna take that 92% chance. um, how is the succession looking for the HRE? View election, my nephew. So, how's my court doing? Okay, good, good. Oh, Duke Jan turned me away. Well, could use that later. Um, okay. Begin the dinner activity. Super majestic. And I'm making friends with my vassals. Good. Because I need them to do so. And Bosona's grown up. It's good. You gotta. Okay. Chess marshal is countered by intrigue. Yeah, I see. Interesting. And she's my friend. Very good, very good. And my queen drank herself to death. Okay, wait a minute. Huh, yeah, I'm married into you. Just gonna, just gonna try and seduce you, and I'll be very good. Okay, I'm not gonna die. More majestic. Good. Like this, that. Okay, I'd like to hear the charges. Oh, okay. My son can marry. Oh my god, there's so much stuff happening on my screen. Okay, 1 second. Chill. Chill out. Okay, you can marry. Some inbreeding never hurts. I could attack you for de jure, right? Uh, Hold on. War profiteer, golden aplomb. No, vassal tax contribution. I need money. Okay, Mr. Stendhal. Okay. And I'm his friend. This is good. Yes, yes, this is good. Herbert is heir to all of that. Wait a minute. What happened? Why do you have this now? This makes no sense. Okay. It's my move, Troy then. How's his learning? Yes, yes. Okay. Interesting. It's time for tribute. This will not be soon forgotten. Okay. Talent to foster. That sounds like a deal with me. Oh no, this one is in my eye. Good. Okay. Good. Should talk to them and learn more. Ambush to time. Oh, good. He's no longer pregnant. That's sad. Let's get to it. Jasper de Clermont. Pretend I didn't see this. Are you my uncle? Oh, okay. I'm down, man. So much money. Can impress. Yeah, I have a hook on him, so interesting. It's time for tribute, and he is divided. Let's begin. He becomes my friend. Good. Yeah, he has no learning. It's good. Okay, I make no demands. Finish Grand Tour. Every visited vassal. Put my holding so. All of a sudden, my vassals somewhat like me. And Duke Jean, especially. Is my sway working on him? Yes, he loves me. Available dynasty weddings. It was good here. Just the noble veins. Heroes of old. Heroes of old. I want this. The heirs of Charlemagne. Okay. Legendary statue. What is this? Launch a legendary adventure. That's not even good. I'm just doing that. Oh, mighty endeavor for Karling. Legendary palace. Interesting. Okay, I'm doing this for my player heir. Complete increased quality. Okay, now how do legends work exactly? How to spread a legend. Okay. I can vassalize this guy over Zhen. So, um, okay, let's see what else. Duke Troyden. Okay, blessings upon you. Stop getting. Hold on. Rally points. Move rally point. Here, raise all armies. Okay. Spy Master, the HRE. I could probably murder him easily. Okay, taking over Gdansk. Okay, yeah, and I made a new marshal. Good. Okay. Now I need to hire a court chronicler. Hold on. Court, yes. Court chronicler. Commend legend abroad. Every vassal. Yes, yes. Because I want my Poles friends to be happy, you know? Are you hostile? Hero witch. Okay. The grandson of the Kaiser. It's fun, I guess. Gonna head here. It should be decisive just because we have. Absolutely, dude. Split by alliance power. Deployed on the Pomeranian. Why is your heir outside? Okay. Julianne, you're terrible. So no, you're actually bad, and I hate that I raised someone as bad as you. Okay, 100. The heck happened here? Duke Droiden, Kaiser and Etienne's secret. Interesting. Revoke title. And with that, I think that's a good place to end it for today. Do my other vassals dislike me because I have too many duchies? No. So, I think that is a great place to end it for today. I'm going to disband my troops, and thank you guys for watching.